If you're a big fan of the smoked out look when it comes to your lighting, but you're happy with the headlights that you currently have, the smoked headlight covers will be a great pick to check out for your 2022 or newer Silverado 1500, excluding the custom Trail Boss and WT trims. Now, these will be fantastic for the Silverado owner who's looking to step up their game when it comes to that blacked out styling, matching with other smoked lighting that you may already have on the truck, whether it is the lens that is smoked or another cover. Now, this kit will also be up your alley if you're looking for a stylish way to add some extra protection to your current headlights with a tough construction. Now, I do want to note that these are very dark, so I recommend these to someone who isn't doing a lot of night driving or are in a remote area that would need 100% of the headlight function, considering that the tint does take away some lighting performance, so just keep that in mind when you're picking these up. Now, these will black out your headlights in one of the easiest and probably one of the most affordable ways possible with a simple clip-on design. Now, even though these are dark, the acrylic will still be translucent and allow lighting through, but again, they will take away from some of that intensity of the lighting, but thankfully they are very easily removable if you do want to pop them off for a night drive and then pop them back on to get that sinister look back. Now, these will be great for an appearance mod, but they're also going to do a great job at protecting your headlights from any kick-up or debris that they may come in contact with. So if you are taking your Silverado in the dirt, the work site, or even just driving a lot on the street, you're not going to have to worry because these are going to be able to take those lighter impacts and protect the headlights behind them. These are made of an acrylic construction, which is super lightweight, yet a tough material that will be impact resistant, very similar to a window deflector or something like a hood deflector. Now, these will also secure very well with clips on the cover to make sure that they stay in place and won't budge even if they take a hit. These also sit very flush with the headlight, so you can't even tell that these are a cover from first glance, thanks to the form-fit construction. Now, with that being said, these will come in at about $150 for the set and is pretty on par for a set of covers like this. Now, there are not a lot of options for headlight covers, but compared to headlight protection and styling solutions, these are definitely going to be one of the stealthiest choices, unlike a Baja yellow style or normal transparent color that you may see. Now, it's also more than just a layer of protective film being thicker and having the ability to pop on or off whenever you need to, making it a great choice that's going to offer a lot of options when it comes to your truck. Install couldn't get easier. I'm giving this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you no longer than 20 minutes to get the job done. Now, speaking of the install, one of our customers here has put these on their Silverado and is going to walk you through the process and how to pop these onto your headlights. So that is going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and jump into the install.
Okay, so this is what the cover looks like. This is the passenger side. You can see it has 3 little grommets right here for the 23 Silverado, and this actually just presses right in and it's held in on the clips and where the fascia piece is. So on the Silverado here, it's going to go in right here. That gives you a little bit of an idea. And the easiest way to install this is actually taking this panel right here, and this actually pops up. You want to be very careful so you don't break it, but there's 2 push in clips. There's one. You probably only need to get the one out. We'll get the other just a little bit too. So you heard that pop. So those are the 2 push pins right behind this. And the easiest way to install is you line this up, tuck this tab right in to where that goes. And then that first grommet, which is over here by my index finger, is actually going to press in. And then you're going to press these 2 right onto the headlight. And once you get it secured and lined up, let's actually press those 2 fascia pieces back in.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and install of these smoked headlight covers fitting all 2022 and newer Silverado 1500s, excluding the custom Trail Boss and WT trims. And you can find this set right here at AmericanTrucks.com.